Hello guys, this is Aditya and today I'm going to make a leap year checker. So you have to give input you give input like 2021 and it will find that this year is a leap year or not. So first I will explain the key concept that how what steps we are going to take. So a year to be leap year, it must be divisible by 4. Uh, Actually, I said it wrong. I have to say it must be evenly divisible by 4. So what I mean to say by evenly divisible is if I divide 2021 by 4, then in programming, if I divide 2020 uh, 20% by 4, it must be equal to 0. So that is what I have to say, evenly divisible. So and there's an exception here that years like 1900, years like 1700, these years are called century years. So this year must be divisible by 400 in order to be checked that these years are leap year or not. So this is the basic theory, and let's make the file. I will name it leap year. Okay, so done. And first we have to take the input from the user, that this year means you have to take the input. So name it user equal to year. Yep. So I have taken input. Now I have to check. So in order to find the year is a century year or not, first we have to check the year is if the year is a century year, then it must be divisible by 100. So let us say if user percent means percent no if user percent 100 equal to 0, so then do this part, and if it is not, then it's else part. So in this first part, so we have to check if because if the it is divisible by 100, so we have to then further check it by dividing it by 400. So we have to write if user uh, by 400, it must be equal to 0. So okay, and now if it comes to like it divided by 400 and the value comes to be 0 evenly, it means it is evenly divisible. So then we have to print yes, this year is uh, yes, this year is leap year. And if it is not divisible, then we have to print that this year is not a leap year. Then in else part we will do it. Just I'm copying pasting, uh, sorry. Okay, this year is not leap year, and then else part. Okay, so yep. Now I have to further check it because in this line we have checked the year is century or not, and for the rest of years which is not a century year like 1926, 1938, 1945, these years are not leap years, means these years are not century years. So further we have to check these years are divisible by evenly divisible by 4 or not. So we will write one or more if else user divided by 4 must be equal to 0, and if it is true, then we have to going to print that yes, this is leap year. And if it is not, then we have to write else, and we have to write no, this year is not a leap year. So yep, copy pasting. Now we are done, and you can see these are just 12 lines of Python, and we are done with the leap year finder or checker, whatever you want to say. So now let run this code. uh, okay, the code is running. uh, yep, so it asks for the year, so let me give it 2020. 2020 is a leap year, and yes, this is a leap year. So let me rerun this code to check that our exception part is working or not. So let us consider 1900 is not a leap year, and yep, yes, this is not a leap year. So you can further check this code, and this is just 12 lines of code, so I'm not providing my GitHub link. So this is very easy to understand. Hope you understand this properly. If you didn't, then rewatch this video, and you can ask your queries in comment section. Thanks for watching.